Welcome to another video tutorial, and in this particular video tutorial of Python we are going to look at how you add white spaces to strings with the tabs or new lines. But before we jump into the program, let us define what are white spaces. These white spaces are non-printing characters. uh, Usually when you are going to, for instance, you can see between none and printing there is a space here. So this is the space which normally we call a white space. As you can see even from here, that is where the origin maybe of the word white space came from. It is because it just takes the background of where it is, but that is for the lighter note. So where the character is not going to appear when we are printing our work, it is called the white space. So you can add those white space using the tab, and simply in Python we use the backslash and then small t. The new line here, it is backslash and n, then the normal line is just to use the spacebar on your keyboard. That is the one which is used. So let us run a program here and see what it has. So let us print this particular program. So you can see the word Python starts completely at the margin of the console. But let us say for some reason we wanted to give some little bit of indentation from the left margin. So you backslash there, small t, then save your work, run the program. As you can see, we get this particular space. The other one which we want to look at, it is the concept of the new line. So I can say my best programming languages are then let me put a colon there. The first thing, it is the forward the backslash there, then n, I can put a 1 here, 1, then space, continue, giving them or listing them one by one, then n, another maybe 2 there, then I can say C# for now. Let's save our work and then run this particular program. As you can see, everything comes nicely on its own new line. The last one, as you have seen that there were some spaces. If let's get that space, and you can see what happens. Not here in between here there is a space, a one character space. So having gotten them rid of them from there, you save your work, run, and you can see that they are close to one another. So that is what we wanted to learn here, the concept of white spaces. That is how simple it is to implement them in Python. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Hit the notification panel bell so that you can get notified when I release new video tutorials. Thanks for taking your time to watch this particular video tutorial.